Right now, I'm walking on the edge of the road to a secret spot. And this spot actually is the first of 4 places we're going to be fishing today in southern York, PA. And there goes a car. So, hopefully we catch some fish. You guys, stay tuned. Hilarious. Dang it. Missed him. Missed him again. There was a big one in here. Oh, there he is. There's one. There's a little bluegill. Cute little guy. A little pure bluegill. Let him go. Cool. It's nice. Let's freaking go! Let's go! Let's go! Oh my god! Let's go! Largie in the boat. Let's go! Look at that freaking fish! Oh my god! Let's go! God, let's go! Let's freaking go! Look at that fish! Oh my god! Let's go! That is a heavy, heavy fish. Getting to wait on her. Oh my god, dude. Let's go! Oh shit. I just want to wait, buddy. Just to wait. Big bass. Look at that chunky bass. Look at that fish. Look at that bass, dude. Look at him. Look at him. Nice fish. Beautiful fish. Guys, look at that bass. That's a nice fish. There he goes. Nice fish. You ate the Senko. You ate it really good too. It's just crazy. How did I catch a freaking massive largemouth on a tiny little setup? I know why. Because it's the freaking power of the Senko. It never fails, dude.
You don't want to try that spot I was at because there's big trout in there.
Wait, there's trout? Oh, wait, were you getting bites?
Well, should I try to catch a bluegill so you can throw it in?
Yeah. No, because right as the bass saw it, he just went right for it. Because he saw, that's probably the most natural. I mean, the smaller one was a little dumber. He went for the Senko.
Well, I got to reprise.
How'd you lose your hook? Huh? Oh, so you caught a little bass and a nice trout? Well, I got trying a different section of the creek. And I'm going to see if I can catch a trout. Because I already caught a bass. Oh. I'm gonna switch up rods. I put a little bit of worm on this. See if I can catch some bluegills over here. Because there's a lot of them. Oh, I got one. Oh my god. Look how small this one is. Look how small this bluegill is. I might use him for bait. Don't know. He would be good bait for bass, but I think I'm going to let him go. Nice little fish. Let's get it back in there. Oh. Dude, I just had a bass. A bass just came and tried to eat it. There's one. Oh, look, I just caught a bass. Little largy. Look, guys, on the worm, little largemouth. It's cool. They fight really hard in this creek. There he goes. I got a bass. There's one. That's a big. It's a nice bluegill. Got a nice bluegill. Oh, another one. Oh, I think this is a shell cracker. I'm not sure. This is a beautiful one. This is a really pretty one. Put a new piece of worm on. I kind of want to catch another bass. Those bass, fun to catch. They sure are. Alright, let's drop it in. See if we can get one. 'Cause they were over here. I got one. Nope, he's off. That looked like a bass. I might have not hooked him well. Oh. Let's put this little hunk on the hook and not get stung because there's tons of yellow jackets. There's tons of yellow jackets. Please don't sting me. I can't. Guys, this is the second location we are at currently, Gifford Pinchot State Park. And because there's lily pads and just tons of froggy looking stuff, I'm just starting off with a topwater frog. See if there's any hungry snakeheads or bass. I mean, I saw some baby bass. Oh, I just got hit. Man, finally, I'm getting to them. Ugh. Right as I put it in the water, this guy smacked it. Get another one. Because there was a lot back there. And I know there are some big ones. Oh my god! Another one. Oh, missed him. Dang. Right as it drops in the water, they just attack it. Jeez. God, that's a big one. Nice one. Wow. Not so bad anymore, huh? Nice. Nice fat bluegill. Whew. Maybe I gave these fish less credit than they deserved. Crap. There he is. Haha. Haha. Oh, little guy again. A little dude. Nice little guy. He hit the worm. Most of the time they just won't hesitate. Just go for it and crush it. Crap. Oh, no. No. There's one. Nice. Nice. That's a big one. It's probably the biggest one all day. Whew. Nice. Not a bad fish at all. Nice bull bluegill. There he goes. Dang. Feisty little guy. I gotta rebait actually. These fish are crazy for my bait. They just see it and eat it. Whew. Get it back in there. Oh crap. Oh, there's a bass. Oh, there's a bass. Got one. Nice. There he is. There we go. Little bluegill. I'm going to put a bigger piece on because I did see a bass cruising, and at the first spot, I did catch a couple of bass. I caught like 3 little bass on some worms. So maybe the late worms. Not sure. Oh, dang it, he popped. Oh, that's funny. I hooked on a stick. Dang it, now I'm tangled. Well, that's what I get. Don't know what the heck happened. Alright, there we go. Oh, green sunfish. New species. Guys, new species. Green sunfish. Nice. Oh, nice. They have a bigger mouth, too. Look at that beautiful fish. Look at those colors. That's a green sunfish, new species. I thought I had a bass because the colors were a lot darker than the other fish. Let you go. There you go. Whew. Let's get it back in there. Slam that worm. Whew. Whew. Bluegill fishing, that's what we're doing. Oh, that's a big one. Oh. Snap. That guy's feisty. Dang it. Oh, my drag. Nice. It's a fat one. Chubby. Chubby little bluegill. Get back in there. So, what my setup? I got this little Dock Demon rod and reel combo, and I got 2 split shot weights and a little hook with some worm. That's all I'm using. I'm just tossing it in this open area where all the weeds aren't. And see, I got another one. It's just fish after fish. And this one, I believe, is a green sunfish too. And this is a pretty fish. Not very big, but pretty. Very pretty. Look at the colors in that guy. Wow. This is fun. Oh, the bass just jumped. I'm thinking, I don't know if I should try my frog again, but I wasn't getting much attention while using the frog. That's why I switched to the worm too, because there's bluegills around and I wasn't really getting anything on the frog. Fish are definitely feeding though. Wow. Wow. This fishing is really good. I didn't even drop it. I didn't even cast it where I wanted and I still caught a fish. Now, this guy. If I wasn't bluegill fishing, he'd be bass bait. Third location, which is a community pond, and we're going to try to catch some little bluegills or anything that wants to bite with a little chunk of worm. So we're gonna put it on here. All right. Put it out here. Cast. Oh, I just saw something eat. Right out here. Oh, I have one. They're definitely in here. Oh, I have one. They were little. That was the little guy. Surprisingly, they're not near the bank. They're out there. Oh, I have one. Dang, they're not getting the hook. Maybe I should wait a little and then set the hook. Wow. There he is. He swallowed it. I got it right out. Little bluegill at this new spot. There he goes. Just toss it right out. There's one. Swallowed it.
Low power.
I know you're low power. Little bluegill. I'm gonna put a lot on and then just cast it out super far.
You should cast it out.
Yeah. I'm gonna put on big piece. Dude, there should be big ones in here. Okay, I'm just gonna wing it out as far as I can. Wow. No, it got tangled up here. There we go. And now I'll just let it sit. There's a fish. There's a little one on the worm. Little bluegill. Toss him back in. Cast it far. There's another one. Right as it hits the water. I'm gonna put a lot on this one. Gonna put a big chunk on this one. and cast it out for her. Oh, I missed him. Oh, I lost him. Oh, I see one. I saw him. That was cool. I saw him come up. Okay, guys, this is it for this spot today, and I'll see you guys in the fourth and final spot. We walked down the trail, and we're at a new area at the lake. The water is like chocolate milk brown, and hopefully we can get a fish. I have no idea what the bluegill are doing right now at this specific time of year. So hopefully I can get one. These conditions are not. Oh, I just had one. Big one too. I just had a really, really big one come up on it. He's gone now. It's interesting. I don't even know where they are. Yes! 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 Let's go. Challenge completed. Yes. It's not a bad bluegill either. Oh, no, no, no! There he goes. Man. Now we gotta catch an even bigger bluegill. We completed the challenge. Now we gotta catch a monstrosity of a sunfish. Luckily, I have the gear to do it. 18-pack night crawlers. Let's get them on the hook. Nice chunk. Put it right on our hook. They should love this. It's overcast, about to thunderstorm. No one's here. Let's catch some fish. Alright, let's do this. Get it back out there. My dad's using a shad imitation, trying to get some bass. I thought I'd just start slow. Try to catch some bluegills. Oh, so good to get the skunk off. Wow, I've never caught a white perch ever, and I'm surprised I caught one here. That means that there must be some. Dude, this literally looks like a little croaker. That's so cool. I thought you could only find these things in the bay. It's so cool. Well, see you, buddy. Let's get that worm back out there. It's so cool. Caught a white perch. Wow. Whew. get back out there. Whew. Dad, I caught a white perch. I thought you can only catch those in the bay. Oh, I had one. There's one. Oh my gosh, there's another white perch. What? Dude, I just caught another one of those. I just caught another white perch. What? That's so weird. I didn't even really know I had one because he was so small. What? No. Don't go away. Don't go. I have to show my viewers. Look at that. It's so weird. It's so cool. Wow. Alright. Well, the worm is working, I guess, so I'll keep using it until I see a massive school of 10-pound bass. It's a deal. Now, I don't know if I'm ever going to see a massive school of 10-pound bass in my whole life, but, well, we'll do whatever we can do. Oh, and I'm getting another bite here. Oh, another fish. That's a bluegill. Yay. Well, this guy ate it. Bluegill on the worm. Feisty little bugger. Clean him off. Fight hard. Even in this lake, they fight hard. Catching fish wherever. See you, buddy. Wow. Whew. Let's go. Let's drop it back out there. We did it. We finished the challenge. We went to 4 different bodies of water and caught fish in every single one. This video, hope you guys like it, because I had a great time filming it and I caught a lot of fish in the process. Subscribe button, like button, notifications bell. And always, be the first fisherman. Always.